Hey there, home and business owners. Today I want to share some essential fire safety tips that everyone should know. These tips could genuinely save lives, so let's get right into it. First and foremost, always keep your keys close to an exit. In the panic of a fire, every second counts, and you don't want to be scrambling to find your keys. Make sure they're in a spot that's easy to grab on your way out. Now, let's talk about fire extinguishers. Investing in a good fire extinguisher is crucial, but it's not enough just to have one. Take the time to learn how to use it properly. Many local fire departments offer training sessions, so check those out. It can make all the difference in an emergency. Smoke detectors. This one's a no-brainer. Make sure you have smoke detector alarms installed throughout your house. Test them regularly and change the batteries at least once a year. If you can, opt for interconnected smoke alarms. When one goes off, they all do, giving you maximum alert time. And let's not forget about the kids. Teach your children basic fire safety rules. Show them how to stop, drop, and roll if their clothes catch fire. Make sure they know the sound of the smoke alarm and practice escape routes with them regularly. Kids learn best by doing, so make these drills a regular activity. Lastly, always have a family escape plan. Know at least 2 ways out of every room and set a designated meeting spot outside the house. Practice this plan twice a year so everyone knows exactly what to do. Remember, being prepared can make all the difference. Stay safe and take these fire safety tips to heart. Thanks for watching.